Hi, Ido here. I'm a product specialist for POTS replacement here at VirtualPBX.
My role involves delivering a premium experience to our customers, guiding them through our sales process, and seamlessly transitioning them to the AirDial device while phasing their old, often costly POTS lines. Consider this scenario. You're running late to pick up your child or late for a meeting at work. Suddenly, you find yourself stuck in an elevator. Terrifying, isn't it? However, if you can call someone, the situation will become way less dire. But what if the phone in the elevator doesn't work? I've personally experienced such a predicament, which inspired me to join our AirDial team to ensure that no one in the US faces such a situation again. The primary advantage of this device lies in its redundancy. Even if there is a power outage or an internet connection failure, rest assured that your call will still get through.
To learn more about the simplicity of our process, please visit virtualpbx.com/AirDial.